1987 Buick Grand National. Original owner. Original paint. Got some aftermarket wheels. Some chrome goodies under the hood. This might be for sale. Mercury Comet. It's like 66. That'd be my guess. Crazy about a Mercury.
Yeah, well, that's when the Thunderbirds will be doing at 2 o'clock.
Bucket T Hot Rod. 3 Deuces. Corvette rear. Hot rod sedan. It's a 34 Chevy. This is probably a 40 Chevy. Very nice. We're up here on the rooftop cruise at the Rod and Reel. Sedan and a 63 Chevy 409. Four speed. Corvette, about an 84. Crossfire injection. Another Corvette. Very nice.
Yeah, I bet it's Friday night.
Ford Shelby Cobra.
Yeah, I know y'all go up there a lot. Shit, it's well worth it. Right. It's fun. Yeah.
They're parking over there.
You doing anything with your sister this weekend?